Before presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Okta Visuliano. You just call me Okta. I was born in Probolinggo, East Java. I am working in PT Kopindo Daya Bersama in Surabaya area. Okay, next. Okay, I'm in here presentation on how to operate water treatment plant. This is a single line of water treatment plant. So there are three models of water treatment plant operation. The first manual, second online, third auto. Next. Auto treatment plant operation manually. Make sure the distillate booster pump is in the standard condition and selector remote. Select the default fish tank and click service. Pay attention to the connectivity value. If below 0.2 microsiemens per centimeter square, then water treatment plant status will be serviced and fit to on the tank. If the drilling tank level 90%, water treatment plant automatically stop. Meanwhile, for online model, water treatment plant start at level 85%. For auto model at the minimum level 65% water treatment plant auto start with no distillate booster pump and water treatment plant in standby position. If the drilling tank level 90%, water treatment plant automatically stop. Next. Thank you.
Any question for
Any question?
Yes,
of course.
mention your name?
One stop in
Mention
1987.
your name.
Oh, my name is Frankie Setiawan.
Reggie.
Frankie, Pak.
Oh, Frankie.
Why they stop in 19%, not 100% or 95%? The automatic stop.
You're from department?
Yes.
Electrical or mechanical?
Tadi
95%. Kenapa stoknya itu di 90%? Karena kalau tahu soal itu kan kebutuhan debitnya banyak kan. Terus kenapa nggak dibikin 90% harus bisa? Oh ini Inggris.
Ini Inggris.
Ini
Inggris.
Masih bahasa.
So, in my plan, set point for drilling tank full at 90%. Jadi set point itu emang gak begitu artinya mas.
How to say it in English? How to say it in English? Your ideas. You can use your Google Translate.
So, set point on the flat or David tanks in water treatment system at 90% full.
Yeah, enough. Thank you, Doctor. Closing, Doctor.
Okay. This setting is 90%, right? Not.
No. Set point at 90% full for the tank.
In automatic.
Yes. Okay. Enough? Enough?
Clear.
Closing.
Thanks for question and attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Before I presentation, I will introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Urkon. I'm from electrical engineering and I work in PT Mitsubishi Chemical Indonesia. I have one quote before I presentation. The quote is, choose a career you love and you will never have to work a day in your life. Thanks. Okay, I will presentation. The title is how to calibrate oxygen gas detector. Thanks. Okay, this is preparation for calibration. I have four material. First, PPE. Next, PPE is ensure that the PPE being used enhance the regular PPE. PPE. Next, and number two, we have ensured the person performing calibration is included and location condition. And number three is bag oxygen gas. The bag oxygen gas is sample concentration of 2.5% for zero calibration. Next. And number four is tubing. Tubing is material for collection bag oxygen gas to gas detector sensor. Next. Okay, this is the how to calibrate oxygen gas detector. The first step, we will take note. Take note is indication display on the oxygen gas detector before proceeding with the calibration process. Next. And second step, zero calibration. Insert a sample of oxygen gas that contain 2.5% concentration and observe the scale display until it indicates reading. Next. And third step is pump calibration. Insert a sample of oxygen gas with concentration of 21% and monitor the scale display until show a reading of 21%. Next. Next. The fourth step is instrument air. Instrument air we will do after completing the calibration process. Please remember to blow the sampling line of the gas detector using instrument air. Next. The fifth step is return. Return the gas detector sampling position to the original position and record gas detector indication after calibration. Next. This is attachment step-by-step calibration. The first step is take note. Take note is one indication on operation. Before the calibration, we take note. Next. And number two is zero calibration. Next. This is a visual of the zero calibration. We insert the sampling gas to sensor gas detector, sampling 2.5% concentration, and monitor until the reading is 2.5%. And next, span calibration. Span calibration, some like zero calibration, but the sampling gas is 21% concentration for span calibration. Same like zero calibration, we monitor until the scale show 21% and adjust the scale to 21%. And the following step, blowing with instrument air. This is a visual for blowing instrument air. After the zero and span calibration finish, the last blowing with instrument air in the sampling gas. The purpose is preventive the line clogging. We blowing with instrument air. And the last step is written after calibration. After finish calibration. After calibration, the technology get indication 0 is 0, span for 21%, and indication 1%. Okay, thank you everyone. I have one quote again. We should ensure that we return home safely in the same condition as we left for work, as there are people who love you waiting for you. Thank you for attention. Any question? Yep.
Mention your name.
Okay, my name is Deva.
Deva from?
I have a question.
You are majority from?
My major electro. I have
Electrical.
question in zero
Kalibrasi.
ya in munduran. Terus. Nah, I have question in zero calibration. That say insert a sample of oxygen gas that contain 2.5% concentration. And my question is, that section is zero calibration, but why we must see the scale until it indicate a reading 2.5? Why not zero? This is the step is the first. Sorry, my English. My question is, the first step is put the sample or zero in the equipment first.
The question is good, but I want
Can
repeat again.
In the section is zero calibration. Insert a sample of oxygen gas that contains 2.5 concentration. Adjust the scale display until it indicates a reading. Observe the scale display until it indicates a reading 2.5. Why 2.5? But this can I ask why 2.5 not 0%? Because that is zero calibration.
Okay. In this case, why zero? Why the step zero calibration, but the oxygen insert is 2.5%?
Iya, but why not zero?
The step zero calibration, but we insert sample 2.5%.
After zeroing or before zeroing?
Apa sih? This is a question.
Iya.
Questionnya kurang.
Yes. The 2.5% that is scale after zeroing or before? Before.
Because the sensor and the standard in my Everything the sensor we have standard. Ini gas detector. The step name zero calibration, but why we insert 2.5%?
Yeah.
Because my factory have standard. The standard is have
Appropriate.
appropriate the sensor and anything the sensor example pH meter. We have zero calibration 7 and 4.
Oh yeah, okay.
Same like this lah.
Yeah.
Jadi and the sampling is 2.5%, but the next step is zero calibration.
Okay. Thank
For,
you.
for standard zero is 2.5%.
Thank you for the answer.
Nah,
Okay.
Yeah, closing. Welcome.
okay, thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Next.
And my major is electrician. Next. And my presentation is about how to install RTD PT100. And what is RTD PT100? An RTD is resistant temperature detector. It's a sensor whose resistance changes as its temperature change. The resistance increases as the temperature of the sensor increases. The resistance versus temperature relationship is well known and is repeatable over time. A PT100 is the most common type resistant temperature detector. The PT100 has a resistance of 100 ohms at 0% and 138.5 ohm at 100 degrees Celsius. PT100 are a most common choice of measuring temperature in industrial process and laboratory. They are popular choice due to their stability, accuracy, and repeatable. Next. Wiring RTD. RTD are available in a wide range of style, configuration, and termination, and are available as their two-wire, three-wire, or four-wire device. Its wiring configuration has its own characteristic and advantage, and they are usually colored as below. And the first, we have two-wire RTD PT100 sensor. It has one lead wire, red lead wire, and one white lead wire, and three-wire RTD PT100 has two red lead wire and one white lead wire, and the last is four-wire PT100. It has two red lead wire and two white lead wires. Next. In my place where I working, the three-wire RTD is the most common. Because that I will explain how to use three-wire RTD. The three-wire construction of RTD is the most common type, where on side of the element has one wire connected, and the other side has two wire connection. This allows for the extra resistance weight in the circuit to be compensated for giving a more accurate reading. The resistance is calculated by first calculating the resistance between wire number 1 and number 2. This is wire number 1 and wire number 2, and the subtracting the resistance between wires 2 and 3, which result in the accurate measurement for the resistance element, or RP. This method assumes that all wires are measuring the same resistance. They therefore have to be identical. Next. and this is install RTDPT 100 this equipment and the Omron E5cc as the display control. First you need one piece RTDPT 100, any size, any type of size, and second one piece Omron E5cc A model. Omron has two model A and B, and a model using 220 volt DC, and the D model using 24 volt DC. And you must use this Omron A5cc equipment. You can use the other controller like Yokogawa or anything, or you can using or you can use RTDPT 100 to DCS. Next. First step, read external connection on Omron manual user. Well, if you're not familiar with this equipment, this Omron manual user, if you ever buy the equipment, you must be have when you buy the equipment. But if you just want to learn or just want to look at this manual instruction, you can find in Google. And number 2, look at number 5. Number 5 and number 3 input. Oh, this number 3, input power supply. Number 11 and 12 has 100 to 240 volt AC, or in DC model 24 VDC. And for number 5, look at number 5 and sensor. Yes, we use this PT and socket number 4, 5, and 6. Next. Second step, connect the cable from PT100 with the following the manual user guide. From the manual user guide, the socket is shown the number 4. It must be connected to the red one, the red white one, and the number 4 and number 5 must be connected to blue or white if in my presentation before. And next step, connect the power at the socket number 11 and number 12. Next. Good. After that, go to GN setting by holding the key number 4. Now, if you look at this interface of the equipment, number 2 from the left, and this number 1 and number 2, you just holding until you saw the setting system. Next. The fourth step, change the value to number 1 according to the user manual. Okay. After press this button, you have they will show this picture and change this to number 1. If you look at number 1 is PT100. Now, this is the value of number 1. Yes, a lot of value, but I will show the PT100. Only the PT100. And number 0, if you're using a PT1000, it has more big capacity than PT100. Next. The last step is test it. For the best result, you can use temperature calibrate or thermoblock. This is just a small test with a lighter. That is so 97 degree. Yeah. Okay. Any question?
Any question to Deva?
Yeah, Purkon. Oh, okay.
Ya,
Saya Pak Tri.
Mention your
My
name.
name is Ahmad Wafi Amdani from Mechanical.
Yeah.
Rafi.
Wafi Pak.
Wafi.
What we will do if the PT100 is not reading the temperature?
If not reading,
Yes.
You are for mechanical.
Yes Pak.
I don't know. This is the most common answer or not. But if in our place, in my place where I work, if the PT100 is not working or can read the temperature, the temperature, the fire, we just throw it and buy the new one. Like that.
Just throw and buy a new one.
Yeah, replace it or check the
Uh.
iron is fine.
A lot of equipment, if the equipment using for the temperature thing, we're not repairing it, but we just throw it and press the new one.
Always replace with
Yeah, replace the new one with the new one.
Yeah. Thank you. Closing.
Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Before I presented my material about how to operate Minhasper in laboratory, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Tariqahi. I am from Chemical Engineering. Minhasper. Minhasper is an instrument that functions to fill or break daily. The output of it is broadcast, has and also image. The visual instrument Minhasper is the picture. And visual, the output from Minhasper. The first is broadcast. Broadcast is like white rice, but the broadcast is brown. Jadi
Yeah.
broadcast.
Nice.
Broadcast. After that, the second output is imager. Imager is the baby or has cannot separate by aspirator. After that, next. And the last is the has. The has this picture is this. After that, the part of any answer. The first is hopper. Hopper is functionnya for supplies the PD. Hopper is this. After that, shutter. The function is for opens and close to start and stop feeding PD to the roll section. Shutter is this. Flow rate adjusting knob for adjust supply of the PD to the roll section. In this picture, in here. Next, roll gauge adjusting knob for adjust the gauge of the roll. In here. Power on for the starting motor. Power off for the stop the motor. Cyclone for separate has from rice using air. Suction fan for generates airflow for has aspiration. And rubber roll functionnya is has the PD. After that, air quantity valve for adjust the air quantity. And then motor for drive the machine. And the last sorting valve for separate emitter gate from full gate. And how to proceed to operate the Minhasper? The first, check the distance of the rubber roll and between now 0.9 until 1 km with a pilot gauge. Ini check the distance of the rubber roll. After that, start the machine by plugging cable in the socket. Prepare the container with a plastic shell and place it under the plastic cycle. press the symbol in the hopper. Start the harsh machine by pressing on button. Open shutter slowly to adjust flow inlet. If there is a lot of PD in the brown rice block, it means the gap between the rubber rolls is too large. Turn the gap between the rubber rolls clockwise, and if the mini caster makes a loud noise, the gap between the rubber rolls is too small. Turn it counterclockwise. When peeling is finished, press the off button to turn it off. Wake the harsh emitter and pronouns. When it has been waked, put the catheter back into original position. Thank you. Do you have any question?
My name is Vega. I'm from Electro. My question is, in the first section, we separate, become two product, brown rice, immature, and harsh. What we do next after that three product separate? What we do after that?
Okay. For the output, the progress, after we wait the progress, we continue to the next step. The step is test mill. The test mill is to polish the brown rice until brown rice change to white rice. And then immature and harsh, after we break, their art is to and immature and harsh, we just throw it away. Jadi not use for the next step.
Become end product.
Yes, the end product.
Yeah, closing.
Okay, that's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good evening, guys.
Evening.
Okay.
Good evening. Yes.
Okay. In this check, in this time, I will presenting load test pump and motor. The first, I know myself. My name is Eko Purnomadi Santoso. My number in mahasiswa 431-82020123012, and my major is electrical engineering. In STM Cilegon, I'm a hard worker who love to innovate, love to read, watch cartoon, and really like to sleep well.
Nice one.
Everyone likes sleep well. Next, the theoretical basic. This is bit of electrical motor. Electrical motor is a machine that can convert energy into motion. Energy into motion. Input the energy, output of motion. And this pitch of a pump. Pump is a mechanical device driven by a power source that is used to move liquid from one place to another, where the liquid only flow if there is a difference in pressure. Formulation of the problem is damage to not permit the condition of the equipment. Equipment parameters are normal or not, and the equipment suitability. The solution problem: to
carry out proper maintenance, what needed to done is a load test. Load test is the operation of equipment under working load condition. In the load test, the parameter data is taken during the load test are electric current voltage of ampere, vibration, decibel or dB, noise, millimeter per second, temperature, degree Celsius. Okay. And Nova, thank you. Any question for me? Please.
Ya, silakan. Mention your name and your majority.
Okay, thank you. My name is Putra Antoni Nugroho.
Putra.
Mechanical engineering. What we should do if the result of the load test is not like the parameter, like example the ampere is high or temperature is over.
Okay, thank you. Anything? Enough. Okay, thank you. The parameter in the vibration, electricity current voltage ampere, vibration, noise, temperature is the equipment not same. Not same. Example, electrical motor of 380 different with 6 kilovolt. It's different, not it. For the parameter is following the equipment, not same. So if we will the load test, we must to look the manual book. This. So to know the point of ampere, decibel, millimeter Celsius is high or not, high or low, it from manual book. So the one equipment on equipment with other equipment is not same. Enough?
Yes, I know that every single part have single ampere vibration, but my question is, if the part ampere is high, what we should do?
Oh, thank you. If the electrical current high, we next we will maintain this motor to this motor. The test is can we know what's wrong with this equipment? Yes. If high ampere, we can know what is wrong. Next, we are doing maintenance. After that, we look test again until the parameter is best condition. After that, we will release to operating continuity. Thank you.
Yeah. No debatable. Yeah, closing.
Okay. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Iqbal Aziz. You can call me Iqbal. Majoring electrical engineering. Calibration techniques gauge. Manual calibrationnya, manual calibration according to the instruction. Remote, save to file, dan start equation. Next. Switch operating mode become local. Ini my according of the red introduction to open shutter. It change the file name in the save to file column to correct voltage 001. For star equation, if the light is 1, then is there correct, meaning the program is sampling data. Star equation 5, until the light measurement is approximately stable 10 to 5.
15. 10 to 15.
15 seconds. Then we start equation again with the turn of data sampling. If the light is off, then data sampling has stopped. Start equation stop. 6. Open the line file program phrasing. Usually this program is already open, but if it is not open, the program file is off the desktop. Next. 7. Click icon folder. According of the red instruction. Next, double click file coverage voltage 0. Run the program, wait until the program stops by itself. According to instruction. Then copy the number in the PX1 average column by pressing center set. You can right copy. You have to use Ctrl+C. Open the table TGS file. Usually the file has already been opened, but if not, to the TSM CVSVR sub-v folder, right click of the table TSM in file, then select edit. Next. Paste the number you copy area PX1 reference into the TSM table file. According of the red instruction. Instruction manualnya. Next. To calibration the TG 101 TG
101.
Just pay attention to the sample 1 background and the voltage 1 lines. Paste the number that was copied earlier, the X1 average into the number point at by the arrow in notepad. In this case, 9 70 52 56. This means if there is no slip at the sample 0 micron, the measurement voltage is read in PX1 average tablets periods in moments. Save the file right center plus S or file as save without any either one. To update the table first on the HMI TG server, close the shutter, turn off the TG server application. When running again after this step, sample check can be gone. For other technique sample to the step above, the apply difference is initially of the non-notepad. Make sure in sequential. Next. Thank you for attention. Of the many questions.
Bang Agus.
Any question to your friend? Muhammad Iqbal ya. Any question to Iqbal?
No? Alhamdulillah.
Ya, closing kali. Closing. Oh ada.
My name is Agus Derajat. I'm mechanical engineering. Simple person. Does this tool to be kalibrasi alat?
Does this tool?
Does this tool need to kalibrasi?
Pak toolsnya tools ya once per step to per step
1 year.
tools kan per step modul data pen sampel home check sampel rumah home check sampel kemudian sampel
Ya.
Time schedule kalibrasi. Only
once a month
Oh, once a month. Ya.
once a month calibration this gauge.
Ya.
Thank you, sir.
Closing Iqbal.
Thank you for attention. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for